Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please do let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now, guys. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please do let me know. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. How are you guys? Great. So today there will be no issues, guys. Yesterday I got to know that some of the students were just doing mischief. There was not a lot of buffering yesterday. I got to know it today itself. Uh, no issues, but do not do like that. Okay. If you are not interested in the class, you can just leave. Okay. Do not do that like you did yesterday. Okay. Okay. No issues in that. Great, guys. Amazing. So let me know today. Even I am a bit tired. Actually, a lot tired itself. I went out today. I went to Mumbai. I'm in Mumbai itself, so I'm just visiting my sister. It's her birthday tonight. So most probably, I was out in the entire day. I was shopping for her and for me as well. And today we will be continuing with the class. Okay, guys. One more news that tomorrow and day after tomorrow there will be two classes, guys. This is day 5. Okay, it is not day 6. Okay, it is day 5, not day 6. Okay, so tomorrow it will be day 6, and then the day after tomorrow it will be day 7, guys. Okay, will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. I think so. The scheduling issues were there. That is the reason why it is day 6 right over here. So today it is day 5, guys. Okay, tomorrow it will be day 6, and day after tomorrow it will be day 7. Will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. Good. Amazing, guys. Amazing. So, let me know, guys. First of all, like yesterday, I don't know how much you guys were able to hear or not. So, were you guys able to hear anything yesterday, or should I just restart it from where I ended up yesterday itself? Do let me know. Were you able to hear or understand what I was speaking yesterday, or were you guys not able to do that? Please let me know. Or should I just revise the topic once again? Okay, so I'll just restart the topic once again, guys. No issues in that. Okay. Great, guys. Amazing. Okay, so let us get restarted itself. Let me revise it for you guys once again. No issues in that. A quick revision, guys. A quick revision right now. Okay. So, very simple for you guys to understand. Okay. Let me open up the chat section once again. Let me put it up on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So I'll revise the topics from yesterday, guys. Do not worry about it. Like I said, I'm there for you guys. Okay, you don't need to worry about it. Okay, just make sure that you guys are able to understand everything and you guys are able to like focus upon the class itself. Okay. So right now, guys, please try to understand it. For example, if you buy a particular plot, you are planning to make a house. Let's assume you want to create a house itself. Okay, so once you create a house, okay, so first you buy a plot, right? Let's assume this is the plot of land that you have bought, guys. This is the plot of land. Just create a angle. Let's assume that this is the plot of land that you guys have bought. Okay, so when you buy a plot of land, you do not create the entire house on the entire plot itself. You want some free area, some garden or some beautification that you want to present around your house, right? You don't create the entire house on like the land itself. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. You guys do not create the entire house on the land. You guys keep some area around the land itself to have a garden or something like that, a place where your kids are able to run out or you are able to play cricket or something like that. So what would you do? You will create another. So right over here, this is the house that you guys are going to create. Okay, let us paint it in black so that you are able to see it apparently. And then around the house itself, you guys create your garden, right? So let's assume this is the garden that you guys are creating. Let's assume this is the garden that you guys are creating. Now you want your house to be protected, right? You don't want your house to be open for anybody and everybody to walk into your house or walk into your garden itself. So what do? You create a wall, you create a boundary around your home. Right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. You create a wall or a boundary around your home itself, right? So that nobody just walks into your garden, or nobody just walks into your house itself. So what do? Instead of having the entire house with the garden only, you also create a border around your house, right? So let us assume that this is the border that you guys have created around your house. Now you are having the three portions, right? You are having the garden, you are having the house, then you are having the garden around the house itself, right? Having the garden around the house itself, and then you are having a border around the entire plot, right? Now this border or the fence that is there, you cannot create it on your neighbor's land. Okay, right, guys? Please let me know. You cannot create the border, the wall on your neighbor's land. You have to create the wall inside of your own land, right? You have to create the entire wall inside of your own land. You cannot create it on your neighbor's land. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. Yes. Similarly, you want now, if what will happen? Okay, what will happen if all the neighbors start putting up their houses like this? So this is the second house around your house itself. Then there is like a third house that is right over here. Then there is one more house that is present right over here down. Okay, there's one more house that is present on the top as well. There is one more house that is present right over here. There's more houses that are present right over here as well. Then there is another house that is present right over here. There's another house that is present right over here. Will this be good or not, guys? Will this be good or not? Please let me know. This will be absolutely shit, because now you cannot enter into your house itself, right? Either you cannot leave the house or you cannot enter into other house because there is no road surrounding your house itself. Now you are not going to give your land to create roads for others, right? You are not going to give your land to create roads for other. What will happen? You will basically, the land that is there around your house on which the roads are going to be created, that land belongs to the government. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. For example, this is the land that is there around your house for the road. It is painted up in gray color itself. This road that is of the gray color is going to be the land of the government, right? It is not going to be of yours or of your neighbors. Nobody is going to give their own land to create roads for others to make sure that there is space between everything. Right? So in this particular way, guys, the same thing happens on your website as well. So let's assume, let me create a text right over here. Let me put up a text right over here, guys. Let me shift it up. Make the text a little bit chunky. Is the size 80. Okay. So a text that is there on your screen. For example, this is the H1 text, guys. That is the H1 text. The text that is there. DEV is an H1 text, guys. Okay, an H1 text, a heading 1 text right over there. DEV, the text itself is basically your house. Okay, the text itself is basically your house, guys. Similar to your house that needs a padding around it, that is the garden. It needs a border around it, that is the walls itself. Similar to that, the H1 tag as well requires a padding, that is the garden. Requires a like a border around it, that is your wall itself. And then you are having your margin, that is the road. Between two elements, you need to have some margin that is there. That is basically your roads that you're having. So every element on your website, whether it be the H1 tag, whether it be the image tag, whether it be the paragraph tag, has its very own padding, its very own garden, its very own border, and its very own margin as well. Now, of course, you can modify it. Okay, it is not necessary that you need to have padding all around the entire h1 tag. You can have the padding just on the top and bottom. You can have the border on just two sides of your particular element itself. It can, on some sides it can be zero as well. Okay, and all this entire system of these boxes that you are able to see, this padding that I said, the garden is basically your padding, guys. Let me just write it down right over here so that you guys don't forget about it. The garden that is there, guys, it is called as padding, padding, padding. The border that is there is called as the border, border, border. The margin, so the road that is there is called as the margin. Okay, the margin. And the text that is there, guys, the text that is there is called as your main text itself, the content. It is called as the content itself. Now please try to understand it. Just like, think about it as your house. Okay, if you look at it, the content, the padding and the border is owned by you, right? If you just think about it as a house itself, the content, the padding and the border is owned by you. The margin is owned by the government itself, right, guys? Please try to understand it. Content, padding, border is owned by you. The margin is owned by the government, right? Padding is basically the garden that is there around the house, guys. The technical term for that is called as padding. Okay, technical term is called as padding itself. Now, in the similar way, the h1 tag also owns the content, the padding and the border. The space occupied by your h1 tag is basically your content, padding and border itself. The margin is something that is owned by the website. It is not owned by the h1 tag. It is owned by the website itself. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. I hope that you guys are able to understand it. Please let me know, guys. Padding is basically the garden around your house. Inside of your own property, you want some area around your house itself, around your content. In a similar way, the h1 tag also needs some area around it. That is its very own area. That is called as padding, guys. That is called as padding. Okay. So when you go to your website as well, let us go back to Code Sandbox. Let me open it up right over here for you guys. This is the Code Sandbox itself. And sorry, this is the website. Let us go to Code Sandbox right now. And we'll go into our HTML page. This HTML page, we need one. This is the website that we were creating at that particular point of time. Okay, we will open this up on a new page, guys. We'll open this up on a new page, the browser. We don't require the browser anymore. We're just going to collapse it. We are able to see our code. Right over here, I'll replace this paragraph tag with an h1 tag, guys. We'll replace it with an h1 tag. Welcome to... You will save it up. If I go back to my website and reload my page, this is the h1 tag that I'm able to see right over here. If I click on this h1 tag and do a right click on it, okay, if I do a right click on the welcome to DevTown, I go into the inspect option. Itself, make it a bit smaller. You will be able to see that you are having this box model right over here inside of the inspect option. Are you guys able to see this box that is there inside of our inspect option, guys? Just right click on the element, that is the h1 element, and get into the inspect option. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Right click inspect option, guys. Right click inspect option. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. I think so the chat got disconnected. Let me just reconnect it once again. So in this inspect option, you are able to see that the content is highlighted in blue. This is the content, guys. This is your property. This is the house that you are creating right now. The blue one is basically your house that you have created right over there, guys. And that is the content that is there inside of the h1 tag. On top of it, you are having something called as padding. So this h1 tag has no padding around it. The h1 tag has no padding around it. Again, then you are having the border around the h1 tag. Again, there is no border around the h1 tag. And then you are having the margin on just top and bottom of the h1 tag, guys. You're having margin on the top and bottom of the h1 tag. Okay, so you can add a padding right over here, guys. I can add like 20 pixels of padding right over here. Now as you're able to see the 20 pixels of of padding that you are able to see, I'm highlighting it right over here. I can add like a padding of like 40 pixels on the left hand side. So now if I'm hovering over it, you will be able to see that there is a 20 pixels padding on the top and 40 pixels padding on the left hand side. I can add border to it as well. Let us add a border of like 10 pixels. Okay, let us add a border of 10 pixels on the top. On the bottom as well, let us add 10 pixels. I'm not able to add the border of 10 pixels. Okay, border, bottom, width, blah, 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 blah. That is not getting shown right now, but yes, that is there, guys. Just reload the page once again. Go right click once again, go to any inspect option. Right over there, I'll change the border to 10 pixels. Okay, I'm not able to update it right over here. I don't know, some problem is there. But in such a way, you guys were able to see that every element on your website has a padding, has a border, and has a margin right over there, guys. Okay, has a padding, has a border, and a margin right over there. Are you guys able to understand it? Please let me know. And this model that every element is a box, every element is like a house, every element is having padding, border, margin, is called as your box model, guys. It's called as your box model. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. This particular process of thinking of all the elements that are present on your website as a particular house that has a padding, that has a margin, that has a border is called as your box model, guys. Now you don't need to understand a lot about it, okay, because while we'll be doing the project tomorrow, we will be focusing upon this. We will be focused a lot more upon just the box model itself, and we will be understanding it practically right over there. Right now there's nothing, even if I try to explain it to you guys, you won't be able to understand it, but I just introduced you guys to the box model. So always think about it as a house. That's it, guys. Always think about it as a house. Okay, just do that and you will easily be able to understand what is the box model and how to use it as well. Okay, so in tomorrow's class when we will be doing the project, this concept of box model is going to be used right over there, and that's the reason why I wanted you guys to understand this topic. I thought that yesterday itself I will be able to understand, make you guys understand it, so no issues in that. Okay, but are you guys able to understand this relationship between elements and houses, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this relationship between elements and houses, guys? Please let me know. Yes? Okay. So the project that we are going to do, guys, from tomorrow, I don't know if somebody must have posted it on LinkedIn quite a while back. I'll try to find the project and I'll show you guys that as well. Let me find it. Has been a long time. Let me go to mentions. A lot of mentions as well right over here. So most of the students who get the certificates actually posted up on LinkedIn. So from there itself, I'm able to see who is doing what. The projects as well, they post it up on LinkedIn itself. They showcase their certificates on LinkedIn. So I'm just trying to find it right now. Give me a second, so that I'm able to show you guys what exactly you guys will be creating from tomorrow's class. Okay, give me Second, so this is the Instagram clone. I not able to scroll a lot more than that. Why? Okay. I thought that I will be able to show you guys. I think so. I cannot. But no issues in that. Tomorrow we'll be creating the main landing page of Hotstar. Okay. So the page that, for example, if I'm going into my Hotstar account right now, go into my Hotstar account right now itself. This exact same page we will be creating using HTML and CSS, guys. This exact same page. Nothing will be different. Okay, you will be having all these features as well, and we'll be creating this exact same page tomorrow using HTML and CSS. I hope that you guys will be ready for that, and you are as excited as I am. My suggestion to you guys would be whatever you have learned up till today. Okay, whatever you have learned up till today, please revise it and come to the class tomorrow. Okay, please revise it and come to the class tomorrow. Okay, so that you guys are able to understand. Okay, so that you guys are able to understand what to do and how to do it, because I will not be revising stuff that I've already taught. Please try to understand it. Will not be revising stuff that I've already taught. Whatever is new right over there, only that I will be telling you guys. Okay, I will be explaining you guys only that particular point itself, because there was no point of conducting classes for 6 days if you are just asking me the exact same questions again, right? So make sure, guys, that when you're coming to the class, you have revised everything that you have learned. Okay, and your certificates and everything, how to get the certificates, when the certificates will come. Once the entire project is done, I'll be telling you guys about that as well. Are you guys able to understand it? Please let me know. Once the entire project has been completed, after that I'll be telling you guys how the certificates are going to come to you, when it is going to come to you, and everything. So you don't have to worry about it, guys. The only thing that you have to worry about is doing the project. Okay, because I'll be coding the project in front of you, I'll be explaining the project to you guys as well. You don't have to worry as well, guys. Tomorrow there will be no attendance. Okay, tomorrow there will be no attendance as well, guys, because it's a project based class, and I know it will be going a little bit slow, and there's no point in sitting in the class and watching it live and understanding. You will not be able to understand a lot of stuff right over there. So for that reason, this is a review that I got from some of my students. So I have thought, and it is a fixed thing, that tomorrow there will be no attendance, guys. Today there will be an attendance, of course, but from tomorrow there will be no attendance, guys. So you guys can come to the class whenever you are free. Okay, come to the class, watch the video, make sure that you guys are learning everything properly itself right over there. Okay, so that will be my suggestion to you guys, and I know that you guys are very smart. You guys have done everything exceptionally up till this particular point of time, guys, and I'm very sure that tomorrow as well you will be doing acing the entire class, and you will be able to do it. Okay, the timings of the class tomorrow will be at 9 o'clock. Okay, the timing of the class tomorrow will be at 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time, guys. Okay, it will be at 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time, because the timing has been changed. That is the reason why there is no attendance as well. Okay, so that you guys are able to chill and come to the class and do it properly. Okay, will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. Will that be fine? Please let me know, guys. Good. Amazing, guys. Amazing. I'm so proud of you. I know you guys will be doing exceptionally well in the class, guys. And I am hoping to see you guys putting your projects on LinkedIn as well. Maybe tag me, maybe don't tag me, but do put it on LinkedIn, and show other people as well what you guys are currently learning, good projects that you guys are currently doing. Okay. And do put it up on your resume as well. It's a great project to have. Okay, so put it up on your resume. Once the certificates are there, you can just put the certificates on your resume as well. Make sure that whatever you learned, please try to revise it and come to tomorrow's class. Okay, guys. Great. Amazing, guys. Amazing. So proud of you guys. Okay, one more thing, guys. I wanted you guys to know. Okay. So one more thing, guys, that I wanted you guys to know, that we have started a new batch for the training and internship program that we are having. I don't know if you guys know about it or not. So do you guys know about the training and internship that we are having, or you guys have no idea about it? Please let me know. Do you guys have any idea about the training and internship that we are having, or you guys have no idea about it? It's very bad, guys. You guys are coming to boot camps of DevTown and you guys have no idea about the training and internship. Why is that the case? Okay, let me tell you guys about it, guys. So we are having a batch that we have recently started, and we have somewhere around 37 seats that are remaining in the batch. And I want to start the batch in the next few days itself. Within this week, I want to start the batch. So I will tell you guys about it. If you guys want to enroll, do enroll in that. It would be amazing for you guys for me to sit with you guys and learn right over there. So for the previous 2 years, we started DevTown with just one aim: getting students placed. That was our aim itself. Over the span of the past 2 years, we have trained more than almost 5,900, 5,000, 6,000 students up till now, guys. And we have placed more than 98% of our students. Okay, it's approximately 5,800 students that we have placed up till this particular point of time out of the entire batch. And doing that, we used to just train them in data structures, algorithms, competitive programming, in full stack web development, front end, back end, DevOps, cloud, and all these kind of technologies. And that is how we were providing them with the placements itself. So the best part came into the picture. Right now, what we are having is that we are able to provide. So on the basis of all these students who got placed, we approached these companies, and the review of these students was exceptionally great. And these guys at these companies approached us that we want to provide your students with some industry exposure as well. Yes, we all were also looking forward to that. That yes, we train our students in everything. We get them ready for interviews. We do everything right over there. We provide them with placement opportunities. The only thing that was missing was the industry experience. I'm very proud to tell you guys this, that we have partnered up with more than 18 different companies who provide us with a 1 month guaranteed unpaid internship. A 1 month guaranteed unpaid internship to all of our students. To all of our students itself. Without any exams, without any interviews, because it's an unpaid internship. That is also one of the reasons why. But no other company is able to provide that to any of its students itself. For example, let me just show you guys some of the companies that are there. For example, in data analyst and software engineering, we are having companies like Cognizant, Deloitte, BCG, KPMG, Tata, Accenture, and British Airways. These are the companies that are there for data analyst. Okay. For full stack web developer, we are having Cisco, Commonwealth Bank, JP Morgan and Chase, Lyft, Amazon, Accenture, Walmart, Infosys, HP. For cybersecurity and software engineering, we are having companies like MasterCard, ANZ, JP Morgan and Chase, and PwC. These are the companies that are providing our students with a guaranteed 1 month unpaid internship with their company. The best part about it is that if you're doing well in that internship, you're directly getting placements as well as paid internship opportunities directly with these companies. I don't know if you guys have ever filled up, while filling up the attendance, you have ever paid attention to the attendance itself. So if you have ever paid attention to the attendance, you must have seen that we also have our collaborations with various different companies as well that take up placements for us. For example, we have collaborations with almost 100 different colleges that provide us with almost 7 students every single month. So we train almost 700 students with our college collaborations, and the rest we take it up from our boot camps itself. Every month we get almost 800 to 900 students placed. For example, we have, these are our hiring partners itself, guys. We are having Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Gap, Samsung, Jio, Flipkart, Walmart that hire students from us directly, because we train our students not just in full stack but also in data structures and algorithms, competitive programming, C++, Java, full stack development with JavaScript, which includes HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Tailwind, React.js, backend in MongoDB, Express, Node.js, DevOps, cloud computing, everything. And these are the students that are getting placed. So I can even show you guys some of the graduates that we are having right now. So DevTown/in/graduates. These are some of the students as well that have got placed in these companies as well. As you're able to see, Bhavya Kala got placed into Microsoft. We have people into Accenture, Flipkart, Oracle, Microsoft, Geo, Samsung, Gap, Cognizant, and many more. There's like fuck ton of students that are getting placed right over there. There are people getting placed in Adani Solar, Barclays, Walmart, and that is how we handle the placements as well. Along with that, we required some more advantage for our students. So, see, guys, there is a cost. Okay, there is a cost to the training program. I'll be very frank with you guys. Why is there a cost? Because to get, see, if I'm the one who's taking up the boot camps, right? You have never seen anybody else doing the boot camps itself. The reason for that is we want to keep the boot camps for free. And I love teaching. So I earn a lot. I don't require anything. I just love it. I come here, I teach you guys, and I enjoy that process. But we understood that boot camps are just a gateway into understanding the basics itself. We are not able to train you guys into getting internships, into getting placements. And for that, we require people to be dedicated to you, to teach you guys every single day, to solve your doubts right over there, to make sure that you guys are getting the best attention possible, to give you guys referrals so that you guys are able to get into good companies. So we got these other instructors to come and join our team and help you guys reach that level. So we have people from Google, Amazon, we have people from HP, Porsche. So data structures and algorithms is being taught by a particular person, Ritik Kumar, who has worked in Hasdon, he has worked in Google, and is the world top 100, not in India, world top 100 in both lead code and code chef. Again, not in India, in the entire world, he's in the top 100 guys. And that is the kind of people that we have in our team, from McKinsey and Company, Morgan Stanley, American Express, Goldman Sachs, Microsoft, TensorFlow, Sony, Cisco, and Oracle. We have to pay these people. Okay, of course, these guys are not going to do it for free. But that's the main point. Like the same thing is being offered by Scalar Academy. The cost by a Scalar Academy is 2.5 lakh rupees. Okay, 1 year program, 2.5 lakh rupees. Coding Ninjas is providing the exact same thing at 1.5 lakh rupees. Okay, 6 months program. The best part about us is that we don't want your money. Okay, we don't care about it. What we care about is providing you guys the best possible path to reach wherever you want to reach, right? So for that reason itself, we have 2 programs that we have created for our students. The first program is the self-paced program, in which we are having like recorded videos itself of the entire thing. Okay, of the entire thing itself. You are having data structures, algorithms, C++, Java, full stack web development, interview preparation, mock interviews, everything out there that you need to get. Okay, you need to get into these companies, including the 1 month guaranteed unpaid internship as well. 1 month guaranteed unpaid internship as well in the company of your choosing. The cost of that program is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST, which includes your doubt sessions with these mentors as well. Which includes the doubt sessions with these mentors as well, guys. So we only charge, and the best part is, guys, you have lifetime access to the program. You can take 1 year, you can take 3 years, you can take 3 months, you can take 1 month to complete the program, do your internship at any particular point of time that you want, get your certificates, and go out. That is the cost of the program, guys. 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. The second program that we are having is the live program. What do I mean by the live program? Instead of having video recorded, of course, the recordings of the videos will be provided to you guys with lifetime access. We are having a live program in which these mentors will be teaching you guys every single day live on Zoom calls, and then have the doubt sessions, and then have 2 months of guaranteed internship as well. Not 1 month, 2 months of guaranteed internship as well in the companies of your choosing. We don't charge anything for the internships. We only charge for the training, because for the internships, it is being provided for free from the companies. So they don't charge us anything for that. We only charge for the training to make sure that you are capable enough to go do well in the internship and get your certificates and your placement opportunities, your PPOs, and your paid internships from right over there. Okay, the cost of the live training program is 7,500 rupees. Okay, plus 18% GST for the entire program, 3 months of live training, as well as the 2 months of guaranteed internship itself. The entire training as well as the entire internship will be completely online. The entire training and the entire internship will be completely online, completely remote. These companies know that you are college students, so you don't have to worry about it. And the best part about it, guys, is that during the entire program itself, you will be provided help with these people. And when you're working with a professional, when you're working with a person from McKinsey and Company, it's very easy to get a referral from them as well. There are no prerequisites for the program. Just like the boot camps, the only prerequisite is that you should be able to understand my English. If you are able to understand my English, that is more than sufficient, because in the training program as well, we have students joining us from Nigeria, we have students joining us from Kenya, we have students joining us from USA, UK, UAE, Spain, Sri Lanka, Nepal. So due to that particular reason itself, okay, due to that particular reason itself, we teach everything in English. And because we have to get you guys ready for interviews and we have to provide you guys with interviews as well, that is the reason why we teach everything in the English itself. Okay, and so that is one of the prerequisites. Everything else, from the programming language to the technologies to the projects, we'll be teaching you guys from the utmost basics. About the project, for example, in full stack web development, you are having projects such as the full stack Zomato clone, that is the front end, back end, DevOps, and cloud of a Zomato application, deployed and orchestrated to its full extent so that even a million users can use that platform. The same thing comes to your Book My Show application as well. That is also one of the projects that you will be working upon. Front end, back end, DevOps, and cloud. The guaranteed internship is guaranteed no matter what you're doing, okay, because it's a guaranteed internship itself. There's nothing else that is there, and there is no degree requirement. There is no, so what we are able to do is, most of the students that join us are usually like who do well are in their first year and the fourth year of their careers. I don't know why the fourth year people are like in the do or die zone. I think so that is the reason why they focus a lot more upon the classes. And the first year students, because they are joining us so early, they are able to do it very well, guys. Difference between live and recorded, the only difference between the two is that in the live classes, these instructors will be teaching you live, and you will also get the recordings with lifetime access. In the self-paced program, you are just having the recordings with lifetime access. There's no live classes. Secondly, in the self-paced program, there is 1 month of guaranteed internship. In the live program, there is 2 months of guaranteed internship that we are offering to our students. The internship is guaranteed. There is no exam. There is no interviews for the same itself. Of course, if you have any doubts or queries in Hindi, our instructors understand Hindi, but the classes will be taken up in English so that you are able to increase your English speaking skills as well. Okay. Now, please try to understand it, guys, that I need to start this batch very soon, because we have somewhere around 37 seats that are available with us right now. The enrollment will be first come, first basis itself. You can start your training program after a month, after 3 months, after 6 months as well. That is up to you. You can pause your program at any particular point of time. There's no issues in that, because I know you guys are having your exams. I know you guys are having a lot of other stuff as well. So if you pause your internship or your training at any particular point of time, you guys can definitely do that. Okay. Right now, I just want to know how many of you guys are interested in the training and internship program. Could you guys let me know? Because if there are more than 37 people, only the first 37 people who are booking their seats will be allowed into the program. The rest won't. Okay. Because like I said, guys, I cannot see, if I wanted, I can take more than 37 as well, but I don't want to, because our instructors need to focus upon individual students. Our main aim is to get you guys placed. Our name in the industry shouldn't go down. Right now, the name of DevTown in the industry is such that our students are getting placed in good companies. Good companies are providing us with free internships, and we are more than happy with that. because a company like Amazon, or learning from a particular person who is from Amazon, to get referrals from Amazon, to get an internship from Amazon, to get certificates from Amazon, and then to get placements at Amazon as well, that is something that is to the next level according to me. So, and of course, due to the fact that we are not having any profits in this, but we need to make sure that our name is clear at all times. That is the reason why in boot camps I don't take more number of students. Okay. What about the doubt session, the pre-recorded classes? So there is a platform that we have created for you guys, and the platform itself, there's a button to the doubt class. Okay, whenever you are having a doubt, you can just press on that particular button, and a mentor will be made available to you guys, and you can just interact with the mentor and ask your doubts right away. So that is how we handle the doubts in this self-paced training program itself, so that you guys are not facing any kind of problems in the same. Okay. Like I said, guys, if you want to get into the self-paced training program, it will be of 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. The 18% GST is basically your tax that you're paying to the government, not to us. Okay, please try to understand it. It is to the government, not to us. Okay, we only charge what we need to pay to our instructors, to our doubt support in people, and to the people that organize the entire thing. So your AWS account charges, your providing you guys with the lifetime access to the program itself. So all that we basically charge it to you guys. So that is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. And then after that, you are having your live program, that is 7,500 rupees plus 18% GST. Already registered, when will get the access? Once you have registered for the program, okay, within the next 2 to 3 days, you will be getting the access to the program as well, Vedant. Okay, so right now, guys, like I said, we only have 37 seats available. It will be on the first come first basis itself. Okay, so those guys who are interested to join the training and internship program, I'm sending you guys a pre-booking link itself. If you guys want to join the program, okay, if you guys want to join, the entire internship will be completely online, guys. The entire thing will be completely online. The training as well as the internship will be completely online, guys. Okay, because these companies know that you guys are from colleges, and there is no pre-requirement of that as well. We have taken up diploma students and get them placed into various different companies. Okay, so there is no thing like that as well. Okay, to all videos are made available once we join. See, if you want, we can provide you with that, but there will be no requirement of it. Okay, the timings of the live classes, will be done only in the evening after 7 o'clock, because these mentors are currently working in these companies. Okay, these mentors are currently working in these companies, and most of the students in the class are also students. They have their college in the morning, right? So due to that particular reason itself, we conduct our classes only in the evening after 7 o'clock itself. So can we join the self-paced course anytime? See, right now we have 37 seats available. But if you are taking up the self-paced course, you can start it at any particular point of time. That is up to you when you want to start. How many minutes or hours of classes will be conducted daily? Ayushman, 2 to 3 hours of classes will be conducted on a daily basis. Not like alternate days or some shit like that. On a daily basis, the classes will be there. Okay, the fees for the program, for the self-paced program, is 3,500 rupees, guys. If you want to pre-register for the seat, if you want to book your seat itself, I provided you guys with a registration link, a pre-registration link itself. The pre-registration for the program is just 500 rupees. Okay. Once you register for the program, you can complete the rest of your payment via EMI or via direct payment method itself. Once you complete your payment, then you'll get the access to the program itself. For those guys who are interested to join the program, I have provided you guys with the pre-registration fees right over here. Okay, in the live chat itself, I have provided you guys with a pre-registration link in the live chat. If you guys are interested to join the training and internship, whether for the self-paced program or for the live program as well, you guys can do it from right over here. In the internship certificate, will they mention the employee ID? Anuj Siddiqui, of course they will mention it. Okay, there is no other way of doing it. It's a proper internship itself. The complete internship will be completely online. Okay, will be completely online itself. The pre-registration fees for both the 3,500 program as well as the 7,500 program is the same. For both the program, it is 5,500 rupees itself just to book your seat. After that, you have to choose that whether you want to go for the 3,000 program, 3,500 program, or the 7,500 program. For example, if you are pre-registering yourself right now, okay, by paying the 500 rupees, then the rest of the amount will be 3,000 and 7,000 respectively. When the live program will start, the next batch of the live program will be starting within the next 7 days, guys. Okay, the next batch of the live program will be starting within the next 7 days. Can I only apply for internships, sir? Hrithikesh, without knowing the concepts, without knowing DSA and CP or full stack or data science, how are you going to apply for that? First of all, that is my question. Secondly, the internships available only to our students because they are doing the program. Okay, so that is the reason why the internship is available to you guys. The entire internship will also be completely online. Okay, so I'm in my first year BSc Computer Science. Can I do the internship? Sai Rohit, of course. There is no prerequisites for the same. Okay. So HCL, TGB and your industry training are the same? No, not at all. I don't know about their training program, but yeah, I can say with a confidence that there is no other training program that can beat it right over here. Okay. Is it mentioned on the certificate that the internship is done online? Saksham Saxena, no, that will not be mentioned. What will be mentioned is that for how long you have, which month that you have done your internship, and it will also be mentioned what are the different projects that you have worked upon within that company. So that is what will be mentioned upon the certificate itself. Okay, is doing the internship necessary because I'm in first year student? Rajdeep, the more number of internships that you do, the better your profile gets and better your experience gets and more chances of you getting a good placement. The average placement that we have seen up till now, guys, through the program is 16 lakhs per annum. Okay, is through these 16 lakhs per annum, guys. Thus the program will be available in June. See, I don't know when it will be available. If we get seats remaining, we will tell you to you guys itself about like you can enroll into the program or not. Even if you want to join in June, you can register yourself right now and you can start the program in June so that you are having the access to the program and you guys are having the access of the internship as well. Which language is best for DSA? So we teach both C++ and Java for data structures, algorithms and computer programming. But it is a choice given to you guys. I will select C++ if I have given a choice. This program help BCA students, of course. See, we have placed students even from BCA, from commerce, from maritime engineering into companies like Amazon, JP Morgan and Jays. Okay, that is the kind of program that we are having right now. The program duration, there's actually no program duration. Okay, the minimum time that we have seen for students to complete the program is 3.5 months, but you are having lifetime access to the program itself. So can you give some demo classes, because 3,500 is a big amount for me, it's quite riskier. Sentimental Sahil, treat these boot camps as the demo classes. Okay, so how I'm teaching right over here, in a similar way for the self-paced program, the classes will be going on. So you can treat it as a demo class itself to understand what is the type of teaching that will be there. So will you pay fees at a time or through EMI? Yashwant, you can pay the fees at a time as well. You can pay it through the EMI option as well. Okay. The pre-registration fees, guys, is just 500 rupees for those who are currently doing. So the link will work only till like we have 37 seats. As soon as the 37 seats have been filled, the link will stop working, guys. Okay. As soon as the 37 seats are filled, the link that you are able to see right over here will stop working. Okay. So I have registered for this program. What is the next step? Once you have completed your entire payment itself, you will be receiving credentials to the platform in 2 to 3 days. Will internship be provided only after completing the training? If you already know about the domain, what to do internship directly. Saksham Saxena, see, if you already know everything that is there, see, my thought is it is a little bit not possible to know full stack and then your cloud computing, then DevOps as well as DSA as well as CP beforehand itself. But if that's the case, I can help you out with that as well. There's no issues in that. But according to me, yes, you should go through the training at least once and then start with the internship. If you directly want to go for the internship as well, we'll provide you guys with an email of support. You can message to us right over there and we'll help you guys with it as well. So should we pay full amount to start the training? Of course, once you have paid the full amount, then you will be getting your credentials itself. For online program, when do we get the credentials, sir? For the online program, I think so. For the self-paced program, once you have completed your enrollment of 3,500 rupees, then you will be getting your credentials, guys. Okay. Rohit Goswami, first you have to just pre-register yourself right over here. Okay. Can I share my ID with my brother, or is it limited to one device at a time? It is limited to one device at a time itself. Like I said, guys, so somebody was asking a particular question. Is the question? Okay, so entire payment kahan pe karna hai? Once you have pre-registered yourself, a particular person from DevTown will be approaching you, will be taking the rest of the amount, depending upon whether you want to go for live or for your pre-recorded sessions. And once you have completed the payment right over there, then you will get your credentials after that. Okay, is diploma eligible? Rudra, yes, they are eligible itself. So I'm in +2 electronics and computer science. Can I join the internships? Yes, of course. Is degree important for placements like BSc? Is degree important for placements like BSc? Is degree okay? Same question. So no, degree is not important. Like I said, companies are just looking forward to, first of all, whether you have the right skill set and knowledge, and whether you have the right experience. And that is what DevTown is providing you guys with the same. You are provided with DSA, you are provided with CP, you are provided with full stack development training. Once you're able to do good right over there, then providing you guys with experience with internship letters via DevTown as well as the company of your choosing. And then through that, you're going into your company itself through the placements. Okay, sir, is it good for experienced people with have more than 1 year of experience? Yes, so a lot of experienced people also join us who are looking forward for a career change, and yes, we help them out with the same as well. Can we get the sample certificate, sir? Please. Sure, I will show you guys the sample certificate as well. There's no issues in that. Okay, the link is not working. Please help. The link is working absolutely fine, I guess. If the link stops working, that means that the link is working absolutely fine. That means seats are still available. There's no issues in that. So can BCA student join it? Yes, of course, BCA students can also join it. So I'm an electric and communication engineering student. I joined this program. Yes, of course, you can join it. Can you please free others who are not interested, sir? No, the class is still of 90 minutes itself, I think. When are the online classes credentials given, sir? Once I've completed the entire placement, then it is given to you guys. Okay. Can you show the sample certificate of the internship? Sure, guys. I will show you guys one of the sample certificates for the internship as well. Let me just find if I'm having some right over here. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. I will show you guys the sample certificate, guys. Okay, give me a second. Let me find the certificate for you guys because I have to go into the files. So I'm just closing it down. Give me a second. Let me find the certificate for you guys. Give me a second, guys. Let me find the certificate for you. It will take me, I guess, 2 minutes because there's a lot of files and I don't want you guys to see my personal files. So I just have hid the background itself. So give me a second, guys. I'll find the files for you. Give me a second. Recently, I downloaded the file, so I should be able. Yeah, I'm able to find the file itself. Okay, so I will make you guys see the certificate. So, guys, this is the example certificate. Let me make it visible to everybody. Give me a second. Are you guys able to see my screen, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see my screen, guys? Please let me know. Great. So right over here, guys, this is the example certificate from KPMG internship, guys, on data analytics. It will be provided with the what field that you have done the internship in, the certificate of completion for which month that you have done right over there. What are the stuff that you have learned right over there itself? Like you are able to see, this is a certificate that will be coming directly from KPMG, not from DevTown. Yes, DevTown will also be providing you guys with one internship certificate for 3 months itself. That will be from the DevTown's end. So these will be the certificates. So whatever company that you're choosing, you will be getting an internship certificate directly from that particular company. as well as from DevTown as well. So you don't have to worry about it. For those, were you guys able to see the certificate or not? Please let me know. As you're able to see right over here, the credentials, your employee ID and everything is present right over here. So your verification code and your user verification code is given right over here. Employment verification code and your user verification code will be provided at the last of the certificate itself. So you don't have to worry about it, guys. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. So like I said, guys, that the attendance will be taken at the end of today's class. Okay. The class has not yet ended. Okay. Could you please tell us about the cybersecurity internship? In cybersecurity, we are having four companies that are there. Okay, Mastercard, ANZ, JB Morgan and Chase, and PwC. Okay, so these are the companies that will be there right over there, guys. Okay. The internship will be completely online, guys. Okay. The internship will be completely online. The course has no prerequisites to it. Okay. The course has no prerequisites to it, guys. So, do the companies offer back jobs in data science? It requires a data scientist like that. Does it require Python knowledge? Okay. So, we will be teaching you guys in data analytics Python. We will be teaching you guys 18 machine learning algorithms, 6 deep learning algorithms itself. You don't have to worry about it, guys. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. Sir, in full stack development internship, we require knowledge of DSA. Of course, to get a placement, you need the knowledge of DSA. That is the reason why we are teaching you guys that as well. Okay. So when will today's class end? Maybe in 15 minutes. Today's class will end in 15 minutes, guys. Sir, is Python programming available with full stack? Sanidhi, do not go with Python full stack, go with JavaScript full stack. There are no jobs in Python full stack. Okay. Will the internships be paid? The internships will be unpaid because there is no interviews, there is no exams that are there. But if you're doing well in the internship, then after the internship, you will be having paid opportunities with the companies as well. Whether it be internship or with your training program itself. Okay, with job opportunities right over there. Okay. Placement can be remote as well. Yes, of course. Okay. Can I be placed in company by knowing only one language? No, that not at all. So I already paid for the internship program. When I get the access, Mohit, usually in the next 3 to 4 days, you will get the access for the program as well. Okay, the cost of the program is 3,500 rupees, guys. And after that, so the pre-registration fees is just 500 rupees. Okay. Now I'll be, if you guys have any questions or queries related to the training and internship program, you guys can message on this particular WhatsApp number as well. Someone from our team will reach out to you guys and will help you guys out with the same. Okay. So if you guys have any questions or queries related to the training and internship program, you guys can also message on this particular WhatsApp number and they will help you guys out with the questions that you guys are having as well. I'll be giving you guys the attendance link right now. Okay, I will be giving you guys the attendance link as well. Give me a second. The internship will be on offline, right? No, the internship will be completely online. Okay. What will be the duration of the training course of 3,500 rupees? Khushi Garg, like I said, you will have lifetime access to the program. You guys can do that for like lifetime as well. That will be up to you. Okay, so the access is there with lifetime program. So you can do it for as long as you want. Okay. Let me get you guys the attendance for today. Is there only one time payment? There is EMI options also available. The first is your pre-registration fees and then your rest of the fees that you can pay via EMI or directly as well. Is in internship, is there full stack course? Yes, like I said, first we'll be training you guys in full stack development and then you will be having companies such as Cisco, Commonwealth Bank, JP Morgan and Chase, Accenture, Walmart, Infosys. सर लिखा तो है सर्टिफिकेट्स पे वर्चुअल इंटर्नशिप, आपने कहा ऑनलाइन मेंशन नहीं होगा. ऑनलाइन इज नॉट मेंशन, वर्चुअल इज मेंशन बिकॉज इट इज अ वर्चुअल इंटर्नशिप इटसेल्फ. ओके, so the internship is like a normal internship itself. You will be working with the companies and you will be doing their projects. The only thing is that when you're doing this, you can put it up on your resume. You have your experience itself that you can mention it up right over here. Okay. We provide you guys with the attendance link as well. Let me create today's attendance link right over here. I'm providing you guys with the today's attendance link as well. This is today's attendance link, guys. You guys can start filling up the attendance link. Those who are like a fish out of the water, you guys can start filling up the attendance link. For those who are having questions related to the training and internship program, you guys can sit and I will answer your questions as well. Okay, do not worry about it. An electronics engineering student, which are the programming languages that I have to learn to get into software field? You have to learn data structures, algorithms, and computer programming in C++ or Java. Then you have to learn about one of for electronics and communication engineering. If you are from a tier 3 college, then go for full stack web development itself. So I pre-registered. What now, Vishal? You will be approached by a particular person from DevTown to complete your registration itself. Once you complete your registration, then you will be getting the access to the program. Okay, Vishal? Good. So those students who are having any doubts or queries related to the training and internship program, you guys can ask me and I will help you guys out with your questions and your queries. Okay. If you guys have any questions or your queries related to the training and internship program, we'll help you guys out with the same. Sir, is there any exam after completing the course? If not, no. So then how will someone do the work in the company if he has not completed the course in 3 months, because the course is we recorded lectures, not live. So Aditya, we have a particular system. If you are watching the entire video, only then the video gets ticked. Okay. And if it is not ticked, then we don't consider that you have completed the program itself, right? So the platform has been created in such a way that you have to complete the entire course to get access to the internship. Otherwise, you will not be able to do it. Okay. क्या सब इंटर्नशिप्स या किसी कोर्स के बेसिस पे जो के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? क्या हम इंटर्नशिप्स या किसी कोर्स के बेसिस पे जो कि जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? Rituja, it's basically yes, of course you can do that, but you have to have the knowledge as well. You have to study in the program. Any suggestions with Python, JS, or CPP, DSA? Go with CPP itself, Java or C++. Any internships for ML and AI? How? AIM classes? Yes, we are having companies such as Cognizant, Deloitte, BCG, KPMG, Tata, Accenture, and British Airways. Okay. For the data analyst and software engineering program, they will be offering you internships in that. That is basically AI and ML itself. Okay. So PHP, full stack, Java, full stack, which is better for us? Please reply. None of all of them are shit. You should go with JavaScript full stack because that is where the jobs are there. Java full stack and PHP full stack died 20 years ago. Okay. C++, Java, which programming language is more important for business analytics? For business analytics, see, none of the programming languages are actually important. It's Python that will be important for you at that particular point of time. Okay. For those guys who are interested in the training and internship program, so is there JavaScript full stack included in the course? Of course, Abhi, that is already there. I've already told you guys itself. It's already there. Do not worry about it. क्या मैं इंटर्नशिप दिसंबर में कर सकती हूँ अगर मैंने कोर्स पहले ही कंप्लीट हो गया फिर भी Yes, Priya, of course, you can definitely do that. You can always reschedule your internship as well as your training itself. Okay, the class is over, guys. I'm just answering some of the questions that are there right over here. Okay, some of the questions that are there, I'm just asking that. So I have pre-registered now. How to select my course and pay the full amount? Rajdeep, somebody from DevTown will be approaching you guys and will be helping you guys with the further process. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. The class is over, guys. I'm just answering some of the questions that the students are having. Okay. So, can a management student get an internship in HR management? Of course, you can do that. Just study according to the same itself. What are coding stuff we need for jobs? DSA, CP, and technical knowledge. Good projects. Should I join as well as I completed my BTech from civil in 2019? Yes. So the person that I've taught with the maximum amount of gap is of 8 years up till now. 8 years of gap he had in his profile. So how did you know these many technologies like ML, data science, full stack? By changing jobs? Okay, so the more number of jobs that I changed, the more number of technologies I started learning. Java with DSA is already there in the program. Training के time पर internship कर सकते? Yes, of course. Is TCS giving internship as well? Currently, we are not collaborated with TCS. Yes, so TCS is there. We are not collaborated with, I guess, just one of the companies. I don't remember the company name as well. But yeah, TCS is there. TCS is already there right over here. So for 3,500 rupees, there will be a live doubt session. Doubt session directly will be there on the platform itself. So you don't have to worry about it. So I want to purchase 3,500 course. Can I get lifetime access to this? The 3,500 course comes with a lifetime access. So you don't have to worry about it. What is the starting date and schedule plan as of now? Aditya, for your 3,500 program, as soon as you are completing your registration, within 1 to 2 days, you will be getting your credentials and you can start the program as soon as possible, or you can just reschedule the program as well. For the full stack, means the live program that we are having, the batch is going to start in the next 7 days itself. The batch is going to start in the next 7 days itself. Sir, do I get to learn both full stack and data science or any one of them? So in the live program, we get you access to the recordings of the data science, full stack, cybersecurity program, all of them. But I suggest against that your focus should be on one of the domain knowledge, such as full stack development and data structures and algorithms and computer programming. So Java or C++. So according to me, my personal choice was C++, but again, your personal choice could be something else as well. Okay. Any suggestions? Go with JavaScript full stack, guys. Go with JavaScript full stack. Service desk analyst. I don't have a lot of information about it. That is the reason why. The fees is 500 plus 3,500. No, the fees is 3,500 plus 18% GST. From that 3,500, you are currently paying just the 500 as pre-registration. So the rest of the amount is 3,000 rupees plus 18% GST. So when you conduct full C++ course, it is already there in the training and internship program itself. Can you suggest a laptop spec for coding? Any laptop is good that can connect to the internet actually. Sir, in the free internship, is there any training fee? Summer, like I said, no, we don't charge anything except this. The entire 3,500 will cover up your training as well as your internship. Is the 3,500 live or recorded lectures only? Aditya, the 3,500 is just the recorded lectures only with doubt assistance. The 7,500 program is with the live classes. Okay. Is there career in Android or Flutter development? Not right now. The career, see, because when you're learning full stack development using React JS, you can create Android apps, iOS app, WebOS apps, you can create TV apps, WatchOS apps, anything. That is the reason why. The attendance has already been taken up, guys. The attendance has already been taken up. What fees is 7,000? 7,500 rupees program is for the live program, wherein you want to attend the classes live in the evening after 7 o'clock via an instructor from Google, Microsoft every single day. Then that is the program that is there. Will the recorded and live courses have the exact same content with the same teacher? Yes, of course, Rajdeep. There is no change in the content, no change in the projects, nothing. It's just that some of the students wanted to learn live because they were not able to focus in the recorded classes. So we created the live program. That is the only reason why. Okay. Yes, you guys can leave the class itself. The class is done. Okay, the attendance has also been taken up. I'll just give you guys the attendance once again, because otherwise these guys will just keep on saying that. Yes, of course, the certificate will be for every single company that you are going to approach at any particular point of time. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. For those guys who are interested in the program, you can register yourself through this link, or you can approach us from this particular WhatsApp number itself. Learning IoT, any career related advice that you can give, please. Ayushman, for IoT, you need to understand one thing, that IoT cannot function on its own individually. It is usually used in a compilation, in like involvement with other technologies itself. You can learn web development, you can learn data science, and integrate it within the projects that you are having related to IoT. That is how it will work. Okay. Full stack or data science? I will be suggesting full stack. That will be my suggestion to you. Okay. What are the things you I learned to become a full stack developer? Front end, back end, DevOps, and cloud. That is what you need to learn. So I'm from civil department. Please give me some steps as beginners in software companies. Go with the training program. We already do that for you guys. Data science project examples. So what we have done is we have partnered up with companies like Google, Walmart, that provide us with their data sets upon which we train our students to make sure that they are reaching to that level. For example, there are 18 machine learning algorithms. Make sure that you are having 18 different types of data that you are playing around with, 18 different projects that you are having around you, around those algorithms itself. Okay. I've started from zero with skills. I have to learn first to get placed, DSA, CP, and full stack development. So for front end, back end, DevOps, and cloud. Can pharmacy student also take up the courses? Absolutely. There's no issues in that. Mern stack or Java full stack, always go for Mern stack. More number of jobs that are there, more number of opportunities that are there, higher paying that is there. So of course, yes, go with Mern stack. What's the last date for registration? Aditya, as soon as the 37 seats are over, the registration will close. It's first come first basis itself. For making e-commerce application or website, which programming language is more important, JavaScript or Python? Of course, JavaScript, but do not make an e-commerce platform, because everybody is doing that. You're not standing out from the rest of the cloud. Okay, I only know C, C++, Python, HTML, CSS, DSA, GBMS. Can I apply for web development, or do I have to learn more about full stack development? See, first of all, learning all these languages is bullshit. Okay, for web development, you have only learned HTML, CSS, and DBMS. That is being taught to 10th standard students in CBSE classes. So that is not at all more than sufficient. That is the ABCDs of web development. You need to learn React.js, Redux, hooks. You need to learn backend development using MongoDB, Express, Node.js, microservice architecture, monolithic architecture. You need to learn about AWS cloud computing. You need to learn about DevOps, Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD, Git, GitHub, version control. That is how much you have to learn. Okay. The full stack is better, or data science is better to learn now. I will suggest full stack web development. Mern stack or mean stack? Can you give an example, sir? I'll suggest Mern stack, because again, more number of jobs are available, higher paying jobs are available. The average placement in Mern stack right now is 17 lakhs per annum. Okay, in mean stack it is less than 9 lakhs per annum itself. So that is the reason why I'll suggest me Mern stack. Sir, is there any free internships available? Please do let me know. Right now we don't have any, but in the future as well, because we have to provide you guys with doubt support, we have to provide you guys with lifetime access. There's some cost that is incurred on our end. That is the reason why. JavaScript is, according to me, the best thing itself. What is Mern stack? MERN, MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. Okay, front end is sufficient for a fresher to get a job in the current market? Not at all. So web development along with IoT will be a nice combination, or could you suggest any other combinations? IoT with web development will be more than enough. Will be more than enough, guys. Okay, so for those who want to enroll into the program, I've already provided you guys with the registration link and the WhatsApp link as well. If you guys want to join the program, you guys can contact us and we'll help you guys out with the same. I will be very excited to teach you guys as well. Thank you so much for being there. TSA recorded class is also available. Of course, it is already there. Okay. So if electrical engineering, what should I get into software companies. Learn DSA, learn CP in C++ or Java. Get good information in full stack development. Have good projects under your belt. Get some referrals. Apply to some different companies itself. Which language is best for cybersecurity? Python. So can we schedule the class for tomorrow early? I don't think so. It will be possible. Thank you so much, guys, and we'll meet tomorrow at the same time and continue with the classes. If you want to participate in the program, I've already provided you guys with the link. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you.